Hello students, good morning. Last class we learnt about one of the most dreaded diseases, that is cancer, and the causes of cancer. We studied about cancer detection and diagnosis, and also we studied about treatment of cancer. In this video I am going to explain you about drugs and alcohol abuse. Here today we are going to learn about three groups of drugs: opioids, cannabinoids and cocaine, and also the harmful effects of cigarette smoking. These three are the group of drugs. Surveys and statistics show that use of drugs and alcohol has been on the rise, especially among the youth. This is really a cause of concern, as it could result in many harmful effects. Proper education and guidance would enable youth to safeguard themselves against these dangerous behavior patterns and follow healthy lifestyle. So, youth, they need proper education and guidance so that they could safeguard themselves from these drugs, and also they can follow healthy lifestyles. The drugs which are commonly abused are opioids, cannabinoids and cocaine. Drugs are mainly obtained from flowering plants, and some drugs are from fungi. We get these drugs from flowering plants and from fungi. Now, let us study all these three groups of drugs one by one. First of all, let us start with opioids. Opioids are the drugs which bind to specific receptors present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. In our body, central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract, they have opioid receptors. These opioids, they binds to these receptors. And then one drug that comes under the group opioids is heroin. This heroin, it is also known as smack. It is chemically diacetyl morphine. Diacetyl morphine, that means it is prepared by acetylation of morphine, and it is obtained by acetylation of morphine. It is white in color, odorless and bitter crystalline compound. It is extracted from the latex of poppy plant. The scientific name of the poppy plant is Papaver somnifera, and it is taken in by snorting and injection. Snorting means inhaling. Heroin is a depressant and slows down our body functions. Our next group of drugs is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are a group of chemicals. They interact with cannabinoid receptors present in the brain. Their opioids, they bind with the receptors present in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. They are obtained from inflorescences of the plant Cannabis sativa. Opioids are obtained from the extract from the latex of poppy plant. And then this Cannabis sativa are obtained from the flower tops, leaves and resins of Cannabis sativa. In various combinations, marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja are produced. All these leaves, resins and flower tops of Cannabis sativa plants, in various combinations, we combine them in various combinations, and all these drugs are produced. and it is taken in by inhalation and oral ingestion. It affects our cardiovascular system of the body. And then our next group of drugs is coca alkaloids and cocaine. It is also known as coke or crack. They are obtained from coca plant. The name of that coca plant, scientific name of that coca plant is Erythroxylum coca, and this plant is native to South America. This cocaine, it interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. It disturbs the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine, and then it is taken by snorting, inhaling through nose. It stimulates our central nervous system and it produces a sense of euphoria. When we take this cocaine, we get euphoria. What is euphoria? We feel happy. That is feeling of happiness. And also it increases our body energy. That's why sports person, they use this one cocaine. This cocaine is abused by sports person. And when we take excessive dose of this cocaine, it causes hallucination effect. What is hallucination? Seeing something which is not present. If we think something in front of us and we can see, but it will not be there, but we can see that as though it is present. That is known as hallucination effect. Other plants that show this hallucination effect are Atropa belladonna and Datura. You know what is Datura? Umatambu. Other drugs that are abused are barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines. These are all the drugs that are also abused. All the opioids, cannabinoids, and cocaine are also abused, and other drugs like barbiturates, amphetamines, and benzodiazepines are also abused. And drugs are normally used as medicines to help patients to cope up with their mental illness like depression and insomnia. And these drugs are often abused. Drugs that are used as medicines to help patients to come up with mental illness, to come out of this mental illness and like depression and insomnia are often abused. Morphine is a sedative, it's a drug, medicine, it's a sedative and painkiller. It is given to patients undergone surgery, but it is also abused. Morphine is a painkiller, but people, they abuse this morphine. And then plants, fruits and seeds having hallucinogenic property have been used for hundreds of years in folk medicines, religious ceremony and rituals all over the globe. So these are the plants, fruits, seeds all having hallucinogenic property are used all over the globe. And what is the definition for drug abuse? We have been studying about abused. What is the meaning of abuse? When drugs are taken for a purpose other than medicinal use. Usually drugs means medicines. Drugs are used as medicine. But when the drugs are taken for a purpose other than medicinal use or in amount or frequency, drugs are, that is medicines are taken in certain amount and also at correct frequency, twice a day or 3 times a day, doctors prescribe like that. We have to take like that. If it is not taken in correct amount and if it is not taken in correct frequency, which impairs one's physical, physiological and psychological functions, then it constitutes drug abuse. Next, shall we move on to the ill effects of smoking? Smoking, it also paves the way to hard drugs. And tobacco has been used by human beings for more than 400 years. This tobacco is smoked as cigarettes and chewed or used as a snuff. Snuff means inhaling through nose. Tobacco contains many chemicals including nicotine and alkaloid. What are the ill effects of tobacco? The tobacco contains nicotine. The nicotine in tobacco, it stimulates our adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline into the blood circulation, and it raises our blood pressure and also increase our heart rate. So this nicotine, it stimulates the adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline into the blood circulation, and it raises blood pressure and increase heart rate. And also it causes lung cancer, urinary bladder cancer and throat cancer, and it also causes bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart disease and gastric ulcer. And also it increases the risk of oral cancer of oral cavity. And smoking increases carbon monoxide amount in the blood and reduces the concentration of heme-bound oxygen. It reduces the concentration of heme-bound oxygen. This causes oxygen deficiency in the body. So smoking, it reduces the oxygen in the body. When we buy packets of cigarettes, one cannot miss the statutory warning that is present on the packing, which warns against smoking and says how it is injurious to health. Yet, smoking is very prevalent in society, both among old and young. Knowing the dangers of smoking and chewing tobacco and its addictive nature, the youth and old need to avoid these habits. They should know the dangers of smoking and chewing tobacco, and they have to avoid these habits of using tobacco and smoking and chewing tobacco. Addicts require counseling and medical help to get rid of the habit. So, these are all the harmful effects of using tobacco. So, in this video, we studied about the 3 groups of drugs: opioids, cannabinoids and cocaine, and also the harmful effects of this tobacco. I hope you might have understood. Next video, I will teach you about adolescence and alcohol abuse. Thank you, students.